Cristiano Ronaldo. For over 2 decades, his name has been synonymous with greatness, dedication, and the pursuit of perfection. From the streets of Madeira to the bright lights of Old Trafford, the roaring crowds of the Santiago Bernabeu, and now the passionate football culture of Saudi Arabia, Ronaldo's journey has been a story for the ages. But as the football world sets its sights on the 2026 FIFA World Cup, a tournament that will stretch across the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and feature a record 48 teams, one question dominates the headlines. Will Cristiano Ronaldo still be there, wearing the number 7 shirt, leading Portugal into battle one last time? At that point, Ronaldo will be 41 years old, turning 42 during the tournament. For most players, that's well beyond the age to compete at the highest international level. But Cristiano Ronaldo has never been most players. Chapter 1: A body built for longevity. Ronaldo's career has often been defined by his work ethic. Even at 40, he maintains a level of fitness that rivals, and sometimes exceeds, players in their early 20s. His diet is meticulously planned: lean proteins, fresh vegetables, whole grains, and a strict hydration routine. Training sessions go beyond what the team requires. Ice baths, cryotherapy, gym work, and targeted drills keep his body match ready. His obsession with detail is one of the reasons many experts believe he could still perform at a high level in 2026. In 2024 and 2025, Ronaldo has continued to play regular football for Al Nassr in the Saudi Pro League, consistently scoring and assisting in key matches. Even as the pace of the league differs from Europe's top 5 leagues, his performance levels have remained impressive, suggesting he still has something to offer at the highest stage. Chapter 2: Signs of Intent. One of the biggest clues pointing towards his 2026 World Cup ambition came when Ronaldo turned down the chance to play in the FIFA Club World Cup in 2025. Instead, he chose to focus on rest and physical preparation. For an athlete of his stature, skipping a high-profile tournament is no small decision. It's a calculated move, the kind of decision you make when you have a bigger goal in mind. Chapter 3: Voices from the football world. His potential participation isn't just speculation. It's supported by some of football's most respected figures. Luis Felipe Scolari, who managed Portugal in 2004 and 2006, has said there is no doubt Ronaldo will be there. Fernando Santos, the coach who led Portugal to their historic Euro 2016 win, also believes Ronaldo will make the squad. Teammates like Bruno Fernandes, Vitinha, and Bernardo Silva have all expressed confidence. Vitinha even said, "Of course he will be there. He's not going to give up." Portuguese legend Luis Figo added that, "Age will merely be a number for Ronaldo as long as he maintains his physical condition." Chapter 4: The competition within the squad. Portugal's current attacking lineup is brimming with young talent: João Felix, Gonçalo Ramos, Rafael Leo, Pedro Neto. For coach Roberto Martinez, The decision in 2026 will be whether to start Ronaldo regularly or use him as an impact player from the bench. If Ronaldo adapts to a more supportive role, he could mentor the younger strikers while still delivering crucial goals when needed. Chapter 5 Tactical Possibilities. In recent years, Portugal has experimented with a more fluid front line, where attackers interchange positions and press high. Ronaldo's style has evolved. He's no longer the winger sprinting past defenders, but rather a penalty box predator with exceptional positioning. If Martinez builds a system around high delivery from the wings and through balls into the box, Ronaldo could thrive even at 41. Chapter 6 Challenges ahead. No matter how disciplined, age brings inevitable changes. Recovery time after matches will be longer. Injury risk increases. Speed and stamina may drop slightly. But Ronaldo's mental game, leadership, and ability to perform under pressure remain as sharp as ever. In tournaments like the World Cup, these intangible qualities often make the difference. Chapter 7 Ronaldo's own words. If he plays in 2026, Ronaldo could set new records. Most World Cups played by an outfield player. Most goals scored across all World Cups. Most international appearances in football history. Beyond records, 2026 could be the perfect farewell. A final chance to represent his country at football's biggest stage, inspiring millions around the globe. Closing thoughts. So, will we see Cristiano Ronaldo in the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Nothing is guaranteed in football. Injuries, form, and tactical changes can alter everything. But looking at his current form, his fitness level, and the belief from those around him, it's hard to bet against him. Because if there's one thing Ronaldo has done his entire career, it's proving people wrong. From a skinny boy in Madeira to one of the greatest athletes of all time, his journey has been defined by defying the odds. And maybe, in 2026, we'll witness him doing it one final time, under the lights, in front of the world, wearing that iconic number 7, and leaving the pitch knowing he gave everything, until the very last moment. Never doubt Cristiano Ronaldo.